my Module 6 assignment, in which we talk about common sense reasoning with fuzzy reasoning. So we were given a story, which is, this morning it was 30 degrees at my house and rather cold. When it is cold, I usually take my dog for a short walk in the woods, usually about 0.25 miles. If it is warmer, say 60 degrees, I will take him for a long walk, usually about a mile. If it is hot, we do the 0.25 mile walk. The temperature generally determines how far we go. So from this story, there are a couple different rules that we can pull out. So there's a rule, if the temperature is cold, then the walk is short. If temperature is warm, then the walk is long. If the temperature is hot, then the walk is short. So for the purpose of this assignment, we will focus on the rule, if temperature is warm, then the walk is long. For warm, we will be using a value of 60 degrees, and long, we will be using a value of 1 mile. So as you can see here, this is the chart for weather, warm. At the top here, at the top here we have 60 degrees with 1 degree of membership. So that is when the weather is labeled warm. As you can see here, it's 0 degrees, it's not warm. As the temperature rises, it gets a higher degree of membership as it gets warmer and warmer. Then it goes past warm and starts going to hot, so the degree of membership goes back down. We have a similar chart for distance of long, which, as I said before, long is indicated as 1 mile. So we start at 0 with 0 degree of membership. As we go up and get closer to 1, the degree of membership also gets closer to 1 as the distance becomes longer. And then we begin to go back down, closer to 0.25, and the degree of membership goes back down. So if we look at a monotonic selection of this, we have our weather chart on the left here and distance on the right. So our rule was, if temperature is warm, then distance is long. So a couple of examples in different colors. The black arrows indicate we have 30-degree weather, and then we go over to the distance chart, and that corresponds to a 0.25 mile walk. So when we have 60-degree weather, which is a degree of membership of 1, corresponding on the other chart, we have a distance of 1 mile with degree membership of 1. So that would be when the weather is warm, the walk is long. And then if we go to weather is hot, I used a value of 90 degrees here. So if it is 90 degrees, the degree of membership is rather low, and then we go to the corresponding location on the distance chart, and that would only result in a 0.25 mile walk. So as you can see from this, as the weather is warmer, the walk becomes longer. And once it goes past warmer to hot, the distance of the walk begins to decrease, which is exactly what was said in our story. And these arrows did line up better before I made this full screen, so